I got terrible news, boys. Tried to tell him. He doesn't listen. Nothing I can do. Nothing I can do about it, boys. So, I guess the check engine light come on Crawdad's truck. Only drove it 3 times. Oh dear. Oh my goodness. Should have plugged these in. Probably pull it past so you can open your door. That's what I did. Probably should have just pulled it around back.
Pulled it around back?
Yeah. Smidge it up. Load it on the trailer.
Do what? On the trailer? Here, I got something for you.
Oh, what do you got? It's awesome. We should spray paint these black.
Scrap iron. Scrap iron. Scrap iron. And perfectly good dead battery.
It's dead? Why it's dead?
Oh, I don't know. It was in the van when we bought it. No working, so we bought a new one. Word said, take that to inwood.
Okay.
Right?
I'll tell you. Oh, 1 volt. 1%.
Well, it's been in the garage for 2 years, so
It's probably
it's like sitting on wood and cardboard, not just on the concrete like those ones. Probably.
a bit more dead stuff.
More stuff.
Oh, like a stinky old head. And now, a word from our sponsor. Muzen Wild Jeep Portable FM Radio and Bluetooth Speaker. Oh my goodness. Look at the quality of the constructions, boys. This is the 1964 Wellies. Some Wellies on with, boys. But I don't know what the significance is, but this thing all comes apart and stuff. Doesn't appear to come off of there though. Oh, you gotta pull the knobs off to get the front off of it. That's what it is. And it's got like a husky case for in accordance to off-roading some terrible. Just like hippity hop down the friggin', you know, whatever, listening to your tunes. Little Bluetooth radio, boys. FM radio, auxiliary, so you can plug your radio into it. Bluetooth, AM, FM. Oh no, just FM. And auxiliary. Little Jeep radio, hey? Figure we'll put that in the Gremlin, because Gremlin's like a Jeep except for it's for dudes. And it's back to our regular scheduled operations on Crawdad's rig. Try to tell him you don't listen. Look at how much cleanliness there is back here. Fell into so many good works. Oh yeah, I gotta get rid of some of these vehicles. This is just ridiculous. For sakes. Look at all them
Oh, look
fucking
at-
nails and shit that you brought over in there.
Oh, look at that.
What?
Oh, I wonder if Gord could use them.
That's soaking wet sticks.
Oh, they're fiberglass sticks, and he broke his in his hunting tent. Oh, all this shit in there. Oh, that's it. I have to bend it.
Look at that's your good one for your new truck. Scrape the ice.
Oh, I don't need that.
What?
Oh, I don't need that. That's gonna ruin my windshield and everything.
It won't.
Oh, it's got some sort of a flare shit on it. Nice.
Oh, that's great. Oh, my dump truck doesn't dump anymore. So it's just a truck. No. So that's good. $1,400 a month to sit there. That's wholesome.
Too bad you didn't keep that one that we gave you. It had that brand new Dell hydraulic lifter on it. It would have worked out just perfect for you.
Yeah, it wasn't brand new. You can't buy something and use it for 15 years and call it brand new.
Oh, we never had any trouble with it.
Yeah, but you bought it 15 years ago.
Oh, it still went up and down.
Well, what do you call it brand new for?
Because everything I own is brand new, even though it's old.
Right? Just
new when I bought it.
well maintained. Oh, the trailer brakes and lights and shit don't work either.
I'd still
So
be
that's
driving
good.
that 88 of that damn lady hadn't pulled up beside me in the blind spot while I was turning.
Right? Oh, we're still at 15%. This is just... Why did I do that? Never in my wildest dreams would I ever imagine that we would just be here all day waiting for this horse. Good f***ing lard.
Should have done that yesterday.
Well, I didn't do it yesterday. I f***ing opened it today and it says, oh, f***ing, you know, update and restart. I was like, oh, okay, just fucking restart it. Okay, it'll be updated. No!
I took a broom with me yesterday, but it was so goddamn windy.
You should have just let the wind bloat it out.
What's that?
Should have just let the wind bloat it out.
Well, the wind was blowing it in, not out.
Oh, turned around.
Well, that wouldn't have done no good. The hogs would have covered it.
Fuck's sakes.
Man. Careful.
Don't be mad.
Careful.
Oh, really detailing it. Getting all the crumbs. You forgot some. There's a couple.
Well, it's not the grumbling, you know. Couples acceptable. Good enough to crawl at.
Alright. One day this week we may be able to. Oh, there's 21%. Peter, no good, boys. Peter, no good.
Is the truck consuming coolant?
Hydrocarbons, some gas in it or something.
But I don't really know because I've only had it for 2 weeks. You know what I mean? I haven't had it long enough to know if anything's down or leaking or... Well, I do know if it's leaking. I haven't seen any puddles under it, but it looked pretty good, don't it?
I think so.
It looked almost new. It's like...
Still got little tits on them and stuff.
He said, okay, once you're all back together, I'll take you through the scanner. Those plugs look new. That's what I said.
Yeah.
Cool, yeah, click on that little blue car and there'll be like a status bar that opens.
should I have the car running?
Yep, have the truck running and have the cable connected to the car and to your computer.
Got 14 scan tools out. Check the friggin' airbox and the throttle body, and what else? Put the scanners on it. It's got PO509 or something, and it's just Dacard. We had the HP tuners onto it, and Buddy on the phone, and he figures it needs injectors. So that's wholesome. Eh? That's wholesome, isn't it? That means oh dear. Hopefully it's just injectors, I guess. I don't know. Maybe. Maybe not. Either way, you gotta delete that DOD, this and that. Should be able to use the HP tuners to you know, chooch that or whatever. Just need a little walkthrough. The only problem is all these extra functions are blacked out, so we can't do anything with them or whatever. So that's handy. But yeah, not good. Well, less than ideal, anyways.